Let's solve one beautiful math question in the easiest way. Ready? But before we start, try this question in your mind. You got it? Now, what's the easiest method to solve it so that you will never lose here again? We have given 60 divided by 10 by 6 into 6. Here we don't need to use BODMAS rule. Instead, we can change 10 by 6 fraction into 6 by 10, where division changes to multiplication. So the entire equation changes to 60 into 6 by 10 into 6. We have only multiplication, so simply we can cancel out and we can multiply. So we get 6 into 6 into 6, that is 6 cube, which is 216. Hence the solution of 60 divided by 10 by 6 into 6 is 216. If you solved this video before watching my steps, comment pro in the comment section. Let me see how many of you got it right. And if you found this video helpful, hit a like and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, we will meet in a new interesting video.